your classroom. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Very good morning to all of you. So, children, first we do some verbal revision what we have done till now from so far. Okay. I will call your names and I will ask from you all the questions verbally, and then we start with the topic, today's topic. Okay. Diva Chauhan. Is Diva Chauhan here? Is Diva Chauhan entered in the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then Arav Hapani. Arav Hapani.
Ma'am.
Arav, how many faces does a brick has? You know the shape of a brick? Have you seen brick somewhere? आपने brick देखी है कभी?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? मैंने भी दिखाई थी. Even I also showed you in the class. Yeah. So what is the shape of a brick first? You shall tell me. Arav. Arav, don't look here and there. Nobody else is learning from me. You are there with me. You are learning. So you tell me, if you have observed the brick, what is the shape of a brick? Arav, this much time you will take to tell me the shape of a brick?
Ma'am, I can say.
Arav,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the shape of the geometry box you are having?
Geometry box.
Yes. I have to move to next child. Arav, you're taking lot of time. Yes, Riddhi, tell me. Riddhi, what is the shape of a brick?
Cuboid.
Arav, what is the shape of a brick now?
Cuboid.
What is the shape of this brick, Arav? This. Suppose this is a brick, because this box color is also brown. Suppose this is a brick. What is the shape of this?
Cuboid.
Cuboid. Now, if and how many faces this cuboid is having? Count the faces. I will show you the number of faces one by one and count them. This is count in your mind. Count in your mind. How many faces? मैंने पूरा घुमा दिया इस बॉक्स को और मैंने सब फेसेस दिखाए आपको.
6.
How many faces?
6.
6. 1. Start with this one.
Ma'am, one calorie side.
1, 2, 3,
Ma'am, 6.
4, 5, 6.
No,
Cuboid के how
here.
many faces? Dear, mute yourself, please. How many faces cuboid shape is having, children?
6.
I'm asking from everyone.
6.
Okay.
6.
Kia, how many faces cuboid is having? Kia,
6 faces.
6 faces. Muhammad Moin,
6 faces, ma'am.
each of now my question is from Arab only and everyone has to listen. Arab, each face of a brick. Suppose this is a brick. Each face of a brick is in which shape? Only if you see this face. What is the shape of this shape only? Tell me fast. What is the shape of this face only? अगर यही हिस्सा आपको दिख रहा है खाली इतना ही दिखा रहा है तो इसका शेप क्या है? आरव, अगर आप मेरी क्लास में ऐसे चुप बैठोगे तो इट विल बी प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी एंड प्रॉब्लम फॉर यू ऑल्सो। आपको जो भी हम पढ़ेंगे उस पर ध्यान देना है रेगुलर। आस्था, म्यूट योरसेल्फ। If other child will speak, you please remember the answers now. Jignesh, tell me, what is the shape of each face of a brick?
Rectangle.
Yes. Got it? ये रेक्टेंगल नहीं दिख रहा था क्या आपको आरव? ये रेक्टेंगल बना हुआ है, ये नहीं दिख रहा है? क्या है आरव?
Cube shape.
कितने फेसेस हैं इसके? मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी, बट यू शुड नो कि क्यूब के कितने फेस होते हैं. How many faces the cube is having?
6.
Yes. Cube और cuboid के faces, number of faces are same. Astha, how many edges?
Yes, ma'am.
How many edges cube is having? Edges. Others, if you know the answer, write in the chat box.
8.
Edges, I am asking edges. Sides जो होते हैं.
Edges. Ma'am, 12.
12. अब count. Please mute yourself. Count करो. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ऊपर, 4 आपको नीचे. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 ऊपर है edges. स्क्वायर के होते हैं ना, कितने स्क्वायर से बना है? Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. One square has 4. Another square which is down, इसके भी 4. पर यहाँ के 2 क्यों लिए? क्योंकि ऊपर वाले ऑलरेडी और नीचे वाला ऑलरेडी काउंट हो गया. So it is having 12 edges. How many edges? Cube and cuboid is having 12 edges. How many edges, children? Everyone say together now.
12 edges. 12
edges.
12 edges.
Are you all clear the difference between edges and corners? Edges and corners का difference is clear? Show me thumbs up. Yes or no? These are corners. When the edges meet, जहाँ पर edges मिलती हैं, join होती हैं, वो corner होता है. इस बॉक्स का भी कॉर्नर ये है. दिस इज कॉर्नर और vertices. और if it is one, then it is vertex. If it is more than one, it is vertices. So वो कितनी होती है? Pritika will tell me. How many vertices in a cuboid? क्यूबॉइड शेप लोगे तो आप उसके सिर्फ कॉर्नर्स को देखो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, I request before also do practically at home. Take the objects and do practically, तभी आपको आएगा. लर्न करने से नहीं आएगा. याद करोगे, रटोगे, वो नहीं आएगा. Until you will not do the practical with this. आप क्यूब शेप और क्यूबॉइड शेप्स की थिंग्स को लेकर नहीं देखोगे तो you will not able to understand. Dhwani, each face of a cube is in which shape? Cube.
It is of square.
हाँ, क्योंकि क्यूब स्क्वायर से बनता है तो उसका हर फेस स्क्वायर है. और अगर पूरे क्यूब की बात करें तो वो पूरा क्यूब it's in cube shape, right? And each face की बात करें तो it is a square. सेम क्यूबॉइड के भी ईच फेस की बात करें तो वो रेक्टेंगल है. गॉट इट? नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम मोइन कुलेवी. लिसन इट केयरफुली. ध्यान से सुनोगे और आंसर दोगे. I will tell you the 3 names. 3 objects के नाम बताऊंगी. उसमें से you need to select कि कौन सा नाम क्यूबॉइड नहीं है. कौन सी शेप, कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट क्यूबॉइड की शेप में नहीं होता है? गॉट इट?
You have to write in chat box.
No. After that, after Mohin will answer then. Which of the following is not in cuboid shape? Geometry box, matchbox, ki dice? Geometry box. This is ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स, मैच बॉक्स या डाइस, कौन सा इन तीनों में से क्यूबॉइड नहीं होता? विच इज नॉट इन क्यूबॉइड शेप?
Dice. Dice.
हु टोल्ड द आंसर?
Ma'am Riddhi.
No, I am asking from Mohin Kuledi only. Mohin, tell me, what is the answer? Mohin, I told you 3 names. Yeah. Children, just coming, entering in my class and sitting in a relaxed position and you are not able to answer any question, then there is no need to attend the classes. Mohin, Mohin, I am asking from you. ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स का शेप क्या होता है मोइन? अगर आपको इस तरीके का ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स है,
Rectangle.
ये रेक्टेंगल है, इसकी हाइट भी है, इसकी हाइट भी है, जिसकी हाइट होती है वो रेक्टेंगल नहीं है, वो फ्लैट नहीं है, इसकी हाइट भी है। तो कौन सा शेप है इसका बॉक्स का? क्यूबॉइड है। मैच बॉक्स का कौन सा शेप होता है? मैच बॉक्स अगर आप देखो माचिस की डब्बी, उसका क्या शेप होता है? वो भी क्यूबॉइड होता है, राइट? पर जो डाइस होता है, जो आप प्ले करते हो डाइस, स्नेक्स एंड लेडर्स में, लूडो में, वो डाइस देखा है कभी आपने? उसकी शेप क्या होती है? आप किसी से पूछ रहे हो पास में से आंसर्स? सो इनमें से which is not, mute yourself please. So out of these three objects, which is not in the cuboid shape? Now give me the answer in the chat box. Give me the answer in the chat box fast. No, if someone is writing geometry box, the answer is wrong. Geometry box is in cuboid shape. The answer is dice.
Okay, ma'am, you asked that
which is not in cuboid.
Okay. Ma'am, the eraser is also cuboid.
Yes. Now my next question is, which of the, I am asking from everyone, please write the answers in the chat box. Which of the following is not a 3D shape? I will tell the 3 names. Out of these 3, which is not a 3D shape? Cylinder, cube, triangle. Cylinder, cube, triangle. Out of these, which shape? Triangle spelling is wrong, Hare. Yes. Yes, the answer is triangle. Triangle is not a 3D shape. It's a 2D shape, 2-dimensional. It's a flat face shape, and it is having length and breadth only, no height. Number of edges in a cuboid. Please write the answer in the chat box. Number of edges in a cuboid. Ritika is very excited, so she is giving 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, something. Mohin Kuledi, 13. Mohin Kuledi, cuboid is having only 12 edges, no 13 edges. Yes. Okay. Write the name of a polygon which is having 8 sides. You know the 5-side polygon is known as pentagon. 6 sides is hexagon. So 8-side figure is known as what? 8-side figure. Please write, then I will tell who is writing the correct answer. I will call afterwards. Please write the answer. 8-sided figure is called what? I want from everyone. 8-sided figure is called what? Please write, everyone. Don't sit simply. Yes, 8-sided figure is the octagon. If the cost of one brick is rupees, listen the question carefully. If the cost of one brick is rupees 12, find the cost of 1000 bricks. One brick is rupees 12. One का given है, 1000 का निकालना है. What you will do and how you will find out the answer. Cost of one brick is rupees 12. Find the cost of 1000 bricks. Mohin Kule, Mohammad Mohin. Okay. So it is 12,000. 1,000 multiplied by 12. It's mental maths. Yes. Multiply it mentally. Here your answer is wrong. 12 multiplied by 1,000 is 12,000. Multiply number with the number means 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 and add the zeros at the back, then you will directly get the answer. 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 and add 3 zeros, answer is 12,000.
Ma'am, Lakshya has written 1200. Ma'am, Lakshya has written 1200.
Please check your answer.
Ma'am, first we will do, ma'am, first we will multiply by 100, then 1000.
Okay. Now, when you place these bricks in the garden, which pattern they create, in which shape you will place these bricks in the garden if you have observed. गार्डन में जब ब्रिक्स रखी हुई होती हैं, कुछ बॉर्डर बनाना होता है, कुछ बनाना होता है, तो which shape, in which shape they arrange the bricks in the garden?
Like zigzag, triangle.
Yes, triangle. Triangle shape में, इस तरीके से pyramid shape में they create the pattern and they arrange the bricks in the garden. Okay, bricks is made up of what? Wood, plastic or soil? Write the answer in the chat box. Soil spelling is wrong, Jignesh. S-O-I-L, yes. What is the greatest 4-digit number is? Greatest 4-digit number. Okay, good. So I will send you some revision worksheet also. And now we will do the unitary method. One worksheet based on unitary method. Everyone please open the classroom. There is one video given. I am going to play the video. I have posted your work. Please refresh your classroom. There is one worksheet also with this and one video. So I'm going to play this video in the classroom right now. After that, I will instruct you what to do. Please mute yourself.
And what you have to find out, cost of many more or less things.
Who has played this?
So 1 year.
My dear, please mute yourself. Don't open now. I'm going to present it here in the classroom. I'm going to mute my mic.
Ma'am, can you present in mine? I cannot hear.
Hello, good morning, children. Today we are going to learn unitary method. In unitary method, given what is given? Cost
Ma'am, I
of
can't
many
hear.
things, and what you have to find out?
Put the
Cost of
headphones.
many more or less things. From many to one we have to go, and from one to many. Now, let us see how to go from many to one or from one to many. For example, the cost of 5 books is rupees 150. What is the cost of one book? Here, the cost of 5 books is given, which is 150. And you need to find out the cost of one book. So what you will do in this? Cost of 5 book is 150. So the cost of one book is 150 divided by 5. When the cost of many article is given and you need to find the cost of one item, in that case you need to divide. So now the cost of one book is rupees 30. Now let us take one more example. The cost of 12 balls is rupees 240. Find the cost of 20 such balls. Cost of 12 balls equals to rupees 240. You have a cost of one ball. So what you will do to find out the cost of one ball? You have to divide 240 with the 12. So you will get the cost of one ball, which is rupees 20. Now, to find out the cost of 20 balls, you need to multiply rupees 20, which is the cost of one ball. Then you will multiply with the number of balls 20. 20 multiplied by 20 is 400. Thus, the cost of 20 balls is rupees 400. So, unitary method is find the value of one unit by division and find the value of required number of units by multiplication. Hope you all are clear with the.
So I hope you understood about the unitary method, and I have also explained you in my last classes. Yes or no? Now you open the worksheet from your classroom and start doing in your notebook where there is RE written. RE means whenever it is a singular rupees, जब last earlier days में we call rupee का sign change होता था, right? So for singular एक रुपए के लिए they will use the sign RE, rupee. So that is why you will notice that RE लिखा हुआ है. And for plural means many, for 2 or 3 rupees they will use the sign rupees. But you don't use this sign, you use the current sign. Can anyone write in the chat box which is the rupee sign?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Dhwani, wait. Can anyone please write the rupee sign in the... No, this is RS, not... We are not using. Yes, Lakshya Dola has written the rupee sign. Wherever the rupee is written or a rupees is written, please put this sign in the worksheet. Don't write RS. Clear? And start doing. Yes, Dhwani, now tell me.
Ma'am, can I take out print?
Take out print, no problem. If you fast take out the print, you can take out the print. Those who can easily take out the print, they can take out. Otherwise, do it in the notebook with the full
Ma'am,
question
can we
and
do? Ma'am, I am doing in laptop, so I cannot find that rupees sign.
So you will not able to edit in that maybe.
What?
आप वहाँ पर edit
we
नहीं
can
कर
do-
सकते. Wait.
Ma'am, we
Dhir,
can do like that. I can say.
yeah, how?
Ma'am, I search rupee symbol in Google and copied the
Yeah,
symbol.
copy. Very good, excellent. You can copy from the Google rupee symbol and copy it there.
But ma'am, can I do in laptop only online?
Yeah, do it. If you can able to edit there only, you can do it. If you facing any difficulty in editing, then you do in notebook or take the printout. And one by one, I will ask the questions from you all. You need to give me the answers.
Ma'am, we have to take out print
Ma'am,
and
how to-
we have to write in
what
notebook
I
and
will do?
online only.
Wait. I give you three options. Either you turn it in Google Doc if you're able to edit. तो आप उसमें ही edit कर दो. Second option is you take out the printout. If you're not able to take out the printout also, then third option is to write in the notebook.
So
Okay,
ma'am,
there are
I'm writing in notebook.
okay.
So I can make that symbol.
I have given you three options. It's up to you
Ma'am,
which
if I-
option you are applying.
And if I will say it will see in the link, then I will submit it. It's okay.
What you? Okay, you will make it in a link.
If I save in that, so it becomes like that. If I save in that, no, it becomes link, so you can see the link. It's okay.
Okay. I will try if I will get your work. Okay. Okay, I'll
And
read
in
the
third,
question.
I also make link.
Okay, I will present my screen and I will ask the answers from you one by one.
Ma'am, in the calculate, multiply mentally and write the answer. Third question is not there.
If there are simple, matlab zeros se multiplication, these are simple multiplication, so you write mentally.
No, ma'am. The third question is not there. 1, 2, and 4 directly.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All are there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just now I will ask from one by one and tell me the answers. I'll call your name.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if one is there, so we have to divide, multiply, and if there is other number, so we have to divide.
Yes. If the cost of one is given and if they're finding for the 500, so you multiply and give the answer. Now, if you see the fourth one, which is different, if the cost of one brick is ₹3, no, not fourth one, fifth one. Till 4, all are of same method. है ना? 1 का given and you need to find out for many. In fifth one, if the cost of 1000 brick is given, that is 3000, then one का cost कितना होगा? So 3000 divided by 1000, that is ₹3. Got it? Same sixth वाला भी वैसा ही, you need to find out the cost of one. तो आप divide करोगे. Many का given है यहाँ पर. Got it? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up. Yes. If you go to the question number 2 में divide और multiplication दोनों होगा. Like number of bricks are 1000, cost is 6000. So first of all, you should know the cost of one brick. How you will find out? 6000 divided by 1000. So Jignesh, what is the cost of one brick?
Ma'am, in third one,
In second one, second first.
second first cost of.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, if one brick cost, it's written, but many bricks it's not written.
One brick is not written. No, one brick you need to find out because this is the cost of 6000 brick is 6000. You need to find out for 500.
Yes.
है ना?
Yes.
तो उसके लिए आपको एक brick का price पता होना चाहिए.
Yes.
So how you will find out 6000 divided by 1000?
Yes.
So what is the price
Six.
of one brick?
6.
Suppose 6 को when you multiply by 5, you will get the cost of 500 bricks. Got it? Yes.
I didn't understand.
Which child?
Dhvani.
Which question you have not understood, Dhvani?
I didn't understood all the questions. So,
All the questions, read from the beginning. Read the first one.
Ma'am, I am confused in the first one.
First one only confused. Price, what is given, Pritika, in the first one? Can you read?
If a brick costs ₹1, then 500 drink
हाँ,
will be
एक ब्रिक का
cost
कॉस्ट 1 रुपीज ही है. सपोज आपकी एक चॉकलेट का कॉस्ट 1 रुपी है. 500 चॉकलेट की कॉस्ट क्या होगी? 500 multiplied by 1, that is 500 only. Any number multiplied by 1 gives you the same answer. And any number multiplied by 0 will give you the 0 answer. I think this basic you have learned in grade 3.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhwani.
I'm confused 5, 6, and 7. So you said that
5, 6 and 7 are of same method. उसमें आपको many का given है कि 1000 bricks की cost 3000 है. So आपको 1 brick का cost निकालना है. So 3000 divided by 1000 करोगी, that is rupees 3 आपके पास आएगा. जीरो से जीरोस कैंसिल कर दो.
5, 6, and 7 will be divide 1, no?
Why you are learning? Why you are not understanding the concept, Dhwani? Why you are confirming yourself कि वो divide है, मैं बाद में divide कर लूंगी? Why you not understanding the concept कि divide है तो divide क्यों है?
Excuse me.
Will you able to answer me? अगर वहाँ divide हो रहा है तो क्यों answer हो रहा है? क्यों हो रहा है divide?
Because it is more than 1.
Because वहाँ पर 1000 bricks की cost given है और हमें 1 की निकालनी है.
Man, I can also not understand that first questions all first to 7.
My dear good, till 1 to 4, the price of one item is given. You need to find out the price of many. What you will do, dear?
Multiplication.
So do. Till 1 to 4, do
Excuse me,
it.
ma'am.
And then we will discuss the other one. Yes, Viva.
Ma'am, I cannot understand the third one.
I will not explain. All are of same method. My dear, because you are not trying by yourself. Third one is, if the cost of one brick is rupees 5. 5 rupees है 1 brick का cost. तो 2000 brick का cost क्या होगा? Got it? वो आपकी 1 चॉकलेट 5 रुपीज की है तो 2000 चॉकलेट्स कितने के आएंगी? Multiply.
10,000.
Yes. Yes, Viha.
I have taken out printout, so I have to write with pen or pencil.
Pen.
Okay, ma'am.
Any difficulty now to any child till question number 4? Mohammed, why you sitting? Why you not doing? Mohammed Moin.
Hello, ma'am, I am doing.
Okay. Mohammed Kulevi, where is your notebook and worksheet? Show me in which you are doing. You are doing a worksheet or notebook? Mohammed, if you not answer, you just simply sit in my class. I will talk to your parents then. Show me your notebook, Mohammed. Moin Kuledi, sorry.
Ma'am, I am doing Google Docs.
Okay, so you are doing, right? कर रहे हो आप? हाँ, okay. I want this work today. So I will ask the answers from you all only now, one by one. Let me take your attendance. Lakshya Dola. Lakshya.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the answer of Give me the answer of first one.
Ma'am, can I do rough work?
Yeah, please do. Lakshay, tell me the answer of first one.
Yes, ma'am. 10. If a break
Pritika, now you understood? Pritika,
Ma'am, what is RE?
RE for singular, it is ₹1,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
तो वहां भी आपको अब जो करंट साइन है वो करंट साइन ही यूज करना है अभी का, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
अर्लियर रुपी के लिए ₹1 के लिए RE लिखते थे, मोर देन ₹1 के लिए RS लिखते थे. Pritika, now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhwani, now clear? Any other child? Lakshay Dola, I call your name 3 times.
Yes, ma'am. 10.
Tell me the first answer.
First answer.
Array, why you sleeping?
Ma'am, I am confused in last and complete the table, third one.
Okay, let me check.
Ma'am, first answer.
Jaldi bolo array.
Ma'am, that 6,000
Yeah,
number.
24,000 divided by 6,000.
Ma'am, it's
Answer?
4.
हाँ.
Okay, ma'am.
And 4 multiplied by 3,000 will be
It will be 12,000.
12,000. Yes.
If
लक्ष्य
yes,
इतनी
ma'am.
देर नहीं लगती है इसको आंसर को बताने में.
If a brick cost ₹1, then 500 bricks will cost 500 bricks.
What is the answer? 1 brick is ₹1 and 500 brick की कॉस्ट क्या होगी?
Cost.
लक्ष्य one brick, एक ही रुपए. हाँ.
Ma'am, cost means
Suppose this pen is of ₹1. If I want to buy 500 pens, how much I have to pay to the shopkeeper? 1 multiplied by 500. Price multiplied by the quantity. Price multiplied by the quantity.
1100.
1 chocolate, ₹1. 500 chocolates, how many rupees?
500 chocolate.
1 chocolate, ₹1. 6 chocolates कितने के आएंगे?
6 chocolates, 2, 3, 10 rupees.
10 rupees की हो जाएगी. ₹1 की एक चॉकलेट है. 6 chocolates कितने के आएंगे?
6 rupees.
हाँ, simple. 1 multiplied by 6. So price
Ma'am,
multiplied by
Mohammed said 6
quantity.
rupees.
પણ RS નું તો સેમ કેમ આવે?
Ma'am, I have submitted you. Check once.
Okay. I will check after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, we end our class now. I will see your worksheets. Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.